Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. How are you students? Hope you all are safe at your homes. Dear students, due to this pandemic situation, we are all suffering from this online classes, is it? So dear student, till this all coming, till one day it will all coming to the end, dear student. Hope you all are, till that we will go with this situation. So whatever the video classes, online classes we are sending from the school, you have to take use of it, compulsory attend the online classes daily. Whatever the videos are coming to your mobiles, watch these all videos and automatically will understand what is the portion, what are the things in the class going, everything we are trying to give you the best way teaching, is it dear student? So you also follow with us and go with this situation, okay dear student? So dear students, in the previous class already we have started learning about air around us. Dear students, in the previous class I have solved evaluate part, that is part A, fill in the blanks, is it? Dear students, today I am going to start evaluate part B, that is match the following. Dear student, before going to this, just I want to say the highlight of this lesson. Yes, dear student, air around us. We know that air is around us. We are living on the earth and this earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Is it dear students? The earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. And what is atmosphere dear student? What is the work of atmosphere? Yes, atmosphere controls the earth or prevents the earth from getting very hot or very cold. Is it? The atmosphere, how it works with the earth? It prevents or it controls the earth from getting very hot and very cold. Is it dear student? So this situation, it means what are the work of air? It supports the life on earth. It supports life on earth. Yes dear student, in the previous class already we have learned about the properties of air. Dear student, properties of air we have learned, that is we cannot smell, taste or touch, we cannot see, smell or taste the air, we can only feel air. And second property we have learned that air takes up space. And third property we have learned, air has weight, is it? And fourth property, air moves things. Yes dear student. And last one we have learned that air exerts pressure. Each and every property, I hope I have explained it very briefly for your better understanding. Is it dear student? So if you will go through the all videos, you will understand how the properties are proved. Is it dear student? So dear students, I have told you in the previous class also, do all the activities to prove the properties of air. Is it dear student? So what is air made of? Yes, we know air is around us. It is a layer of earth, layer of air that is surrounded the earth. So how it is made or what is the air made of? Dear students, the air around earth, yes, in the previous class I have explained, air around earth is a mixture. Is it? It is a mixture of gases. Whatever the air is around the earth, it is a mixture of gas. So what type of gases are mixed in this? Here nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases like water vapor, dust particles, these all things are mixed in this, and this is a mixture of gas and this is called a atmosphere. Along with the other gases, earth forms the gases together form the earth's atmosphere. Dear students, here in the mixture of gas, here nitrogen is there. It is how much percent? 78%. nitrogen forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. And the next is, dear student, here oxygen, second gas is oxygen. Then how much it forms? It forms about 21% of the Earth's surface. Is it? Our miss oxygen, it forms about 21% of it. Then all the living creatures need oxygen to live. Here what is the use of oxygen? All the living creatures like plants, humans, animals, birds, every living being, it needs air for breathing. And remaining 1%, that is carbon dioxide. Then what is the use of carbon dioxide? Yes, dear students, whatever the plants you are looking around you, means in our surrounding, many of the plants we will see, all the plants need carbon dioxide to prepare the food. Is it, dear student? The carbon dioxide helps plants to make the food, and plants take in carbon dioxide and they give out the oxygen. Is it? They purify, plants help us to purify the air. They make pure to the air. Is it, dear student? Here what is the work of each gas? We have learned. So this type of our air is made. Is it? So the air around the earth is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide are the gases together form the earth's atmosphere. And here what is the earth's atmosphere works? It prevents or controls the earth from getting very hot or very cold. Is it, dear student? So here nitrogen forms about 78%, oxygen is about 21%, carbon dioxide is about 1%. So this all together forms the atmosphere. Dear student, here what is the use of oxygen? All the living creatures living on the earth need oxygen for breathing. Next one is, what is the use of carbon dioxide? Here carbon dioxide helps plants to make the food, and plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Next, dear student, breathing fresh air. What is the use of breathing fresh air? Yes, dear student, we are all living things. We are, air is needed for us. If air is not there, it is we feel very uncomfortable. Is it, dear student? So, for survive the life, we need air. Is it? For breathing, we need the air. So, however type air we don't want, we need a clean and pure air for breathing. Then we will be healthy, strong, fit. Is it? So, from where we will get the fresh air or breathing fresh air? Why it is needed? Breathing fresh air or breathing clean fresh air keeps us healthy. And air is cleanest in the early morning. It is good to take regular walks during this time. Means early in the morning at 5 o'clock, if you are getting, just you go for a walk. You go for a walk, then you feel how cold, very fresh air. Is it, dear student? In the early morning hours, you will get the fresh air, and breathing fresh air is very necessary for our healthy life. Okay, dear student. So this is about the highlight of this lesson. Now I will go for part B. Now I will solve the part B. This is match the following. Yes, dear student, match the following. So here this is A and this is B. Dear student, first one is air. I will write one side words first. Second one, atmosphere. Third one, cleanest air. Fourth one, nitrogen. And fifth one is oxygen. Understand? These are the words, and here the clues have given. We have to read the word and match the clue. First one is the layer of air. The layer of air around the earth. Okay, now B1 is a mixture of gases. Yes, dear student. Number C is early morning. And number D is 21%. And here number E is 78%. Okay, dear students, so these are the words from A side and B side. So we will read the word and match to the correct sentence. Here air is what? The layer of air around the earth, a mixture of gas, early morning, 21% and 78%. Next is atmosphere. Atmosphere is also you have to see a layer of air around the earth, a mixture of gases, early morning, 21%, 78%. Is it, dear student? So we will match here. First, oxygen is how much percent? Yes, dear student, this is 21%. Nitrogen is 78%. Cleanest air, early morning. Atmosphere, the layer of air, and air is a mixture of gases. Okay, dear student. So first one we will match to B. Air is a mixture of gases. Second word, atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air around the earth. Third word, cleanest air. Here cleanest air, when you will get? Early in the morning. Then nitrogen is forms 78% and oxygen forms 21%. Okay, dear student. Once again I will read. Air match to a mixture of gases. Second one, atmosphere is matched to the layer of air around the earth. Third one, cleanest air you will get in the early morning. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%. Okay, dear student. Hope you all are better understanding about the match the following, dear students. Till here today we will stop. First you have to complete these all work in the textbook page number 262. Complete. First you have to do matching in this textbook. Then this all answers you should copy it in your homework book. Understand, dear student? In the next class I will continue the evaluate part C. Till here today we will stop. Take care. Bye bye.